Hey guys, Billy HP Auto. Just wanted to touch base with you guys today. We've got a Lamborghini Huracan 2016 in the shop with a really interesting issue. I just want to kind of go over with you guys. Basically, what we've got going on here is the car has a wheel bearing failure at 8,000 miles, and it was just a really interesting failure we had, so I kind of wanted to let you guys see for yourself. This thing had a very interesting wheel bearing failure. It's making a really loud clunking noise coming from this left rear wheel. Could even be mistaken for a differential failure, but we're used to seeing wheel bearing failures. The hub starts to get a lot of play and stuff. But this, it was so tight you could not. The wheel would turn and just bind and make a really loud clicking noise. And upon further inspection, we found the wheel bearing had seized up. This car is an 8,000 mile car, so this is a pretty unusual failure here. But just wanted to kind of share that tidbit information for you guys in case you guys run into something similar in the future. It's definitely really interesting to see that sort of failure in this early of a mileage car. But if you guys have any questions about Lamborghini service maintenance problems, just comment below. We'll be happy to answer them for you. And thanks for watching the video.
What?